Hi, it's empty from the forum, Saber forum. A lot of you were asking about the sound of the Obsidian sound in the new Guardian compared to other Hasbro and Master Replica sabers. So I have a few sabers here. I'll compare the sound of each. I'll turn them on one after the other so you can hear the difference. So let's start with the Guardian. I'll keep the camera about the same distance from all of them. This is a Hasbro Darth Vader, A New Hope. Hasbro Return of the Jedi Luke. This is a Hasbro Anakin with the removable blade, so it's a newer saber. Much louder than the usual Hasbro sabers. And this is a Master Replica's construction kit, the Joe Jedi. There you go.